Good morning, everybody. Coming to you today. Back on the V10 to Cummins project. Been a while since I've done anything with it, but having to work on the old boy's budget, which no problem there. But he brought me a bunch of parts. Told him what he was gonna need and stuff. He got this little turbo right here. It's an ATS Aurora turbo. Sure is a pretty little thing. If you like purple. Come as a kit. Got this bag of goodies here. Come with this downpipe. Had him get a new oil pan. So I told him once I pressure wash this, good chance that this old rusty oil pan was going to start leaking. And sure as heck, she started leaking. So right now is the easy time to do it. We're going to do front and rear main seals. Done an inspection on the flex plate. That's all good to go. No cracks. I really wanted to check out, make sure this killer dowel pin here was alright. It's worked itself out a little ways. I'm going to tap her back in there and spike it so it won't work back out. I've never had one of them come out, never worked on one that come out, but they'll make a big mess. But I have seen this bolt right here come out. And boy, when it comes out, it gets real violent in there around these gears. It just wipes that gear chase right out. So I'll make sure them are all torqued. She's pretty clean inside here. I'll make sure that killer dowel pin and bolts are all tightened up where they belong. We're going to take and do all the freeze plugs. You can see they're pretty rusty in here. That one's got some crust on it, but that one right there, that one's really rusty. We'll get that changed out. This one back here don't look too awful bad, but she'll get a new one in it. Nope. Got quite a few things that we're going to replace on it before it goes in. This is a oil pickup tube. Want to make sure that I inspect that. There's no cracks. Reseal it up. Make sure everything's good, because they have been known to crack and, you know, lose oil pressure. Won't pick it up. We'll make sure that's all okay. Inside of this engine is pretty clean. It's pretty happy with it. Cam lobes don't show a whole bunch of wear on them at all. Clean little motor. Yeah. Don't see no problems with her at all. There wasn't nothing in the oil pan. So she's a good, clean little engine. Somebody kept up on the oil changes. We'll get the run the valves on her and stuff like that. Make sure that's all good. Get a lot of stuff done while she's out. But y'all have a great day. We'll see you around. Be safe out there. And thank you very much. Bye.